Hey guys, good afternoon. So I am back in my hometown now. If you've seen the last few videos, you know that I went down to Georgia with my parents, and on the way there we got to stop at some state parks, do some camping, some hiking and cave exploring, and a whole bunch of other stuff. It was a really good time. It was nice hanging out with the folks, you know. I've been away for a while. So and then in Georgia, there's a graduation, and we hung out with some family, and then my parents eventually came back up, and I stayed behind with my cousins, and we went to Florida, and went to some other state parks, went to the beach and some other stuff. So it was a really good time, and I eventually flew back home, and now I'm here. And I have a few clips from Georgia and Florida, not many. It was mainly just kind of hanging out, but every once in a while I pulled out the camera to I think some wildlife, and I did a little drone around this pond area. But it was a really good time. So if you like nature, I try to take some nature shots and stuff like that. That's what I'm gonna show right now. But it was a good time. But now I'm back home, and I probably won't be doing any more traveling for the next few months. I might do some hikes and stuff like that, maybe around the area, but other than that, I'm kind of homebound, just saving until I can travel again. So hopefully that comes soon. But I'm gonna enjoy myself, you know, while I'm here hanging out with family. I just went to my cousin's, or my nephew's football game yesterday, and that was a really good time. So, you know, little small stuff like that I'm really looking forward to for the next few months. But anyway, so if you want to check out some of the nature shots and some of the time I had in Georgia and Florida, you can check that out now. But I guess I'll see you guys later. So I'll be homebound for a little while now. And yeah, so we'll see you guys soon, and take care. Bye-bye. Here's some Georgia cows. And some Georgia goats. Alright, so it might be kind of hard to see, but right to the left here is a dam built by beavers. I'll try to go on the other side so you can see it better over there. But you can see the water level is way up there to the top, and then it goes down here and it comes down, and this is built by beavers. Alright, so here's the flooded area over here. And here's the dam that was built. I'm just checking out this dam. This is pretty cool, man.
Oh yeah, there was one on a dirt road that we were on.
Alright, so we're taking a little hike out here. And I don't see these too often, but here's a little box turtle. This is just a small one. He's on his way. If you ever do find these turtles out in the wild, and you do want to pick them up, just make sure you put them back the way they were going, because they always travel one way. They know where they're going. If you put them back the other way, they're just eventually keep going that way. Especially when you find them like on the road. If you ever find a snapping turtle or something on the road and they're like almost crossing the road, don't take them back the other way, because they're just going to cross the road again. You might as well just take them the way it's going. This is a cute little guy.
And they get confused.
They get confused? He's hidden now. He's a young one though.
That's so cool where
Yeah.
you can just pull it up like a mailbox.
That is cool. It's like his own little house.
How much space do you think he has in there?
Probably not much.
400 square feet.
400 square feet. It's like the Jetsons car. You can put anything you want in there. You gotta have a good eye to find those though.
That looks like a little drop off here. My feet got wet.
Wow.
How are you gonna get out of here? How are we gonna get out of here?
Alright, my cousin Riley is gonna show us the backwoods of Georgia. There are tons of trails back here. All right, the goal is not to hit any trees.
Okay.
Whoa, watch out for that stick. Oh, that's cool.
You gonna drive in it?
Yeah, let's go.
We'll sink it. We'll get in trouble.
There's a whole bunch of turtles in here.
Yeah.
Two right there.
There's an alligator.
Alright.
Dustin, get on. Look, we can go. You know what I mean?
find much bigger ones than that.
Pinch you.
They will pinch you.
But
Fight him.
we're at a conservation park right now in Florida. And it looks like you can almost walk on there. The algae or whatever is so thick. We're looking for alligators. So far we haven't found any.